Niagara Sawmill was founded October 2024. Our main timber yard in Niagara-on-the-Lake, 256 East and West Line, and then we also have a shop just down the road from there where we do all our woodworking and dressing and planing. All our products are sourced within Canada. Our Douglas fir comes from British Columbia. Our pine typically comes from Northern Ontario, but we don't go outside of Canada for any of our products. The type of wood we sell, our main thing is Douglas fir timbers, but we also sell pine timbers, pine, tongue and groove. We do some western red cedar. We do some hemlock, eastern and western hemlock. So what separates us at Niagara Sawmill from our competition is we buy direct from British Columbia. We don't buy off third-party suppliers. We buy right from the mills, bring it to Ontario, and then it's more one-on-one with us. We're a smaller company. We custom milling. People bring us their logs. We'll cut them into whatever they want. We'll do Alaskan chainsaw milling, which is a chainsaw in a device where we can saw logs on site in people's backyards. We do dress lumber, which you take rough sawn and make it smooth. We do pre-stain material as well. We will pre-stain timbers, pre-stain tongue and groove, wood siding. So at Niagara Sawmill, we're now offering full timber frame kits where clients come to us with an imagination, a dream of what they want, and we'll turn it into a design, engineered stamp drawings. We'll take the timbers, cut the timbers down, stain them, stain the tongue and groove, and ship it off to the client or contractor where they build it themselves or have someone build it for them. Our standard operation hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at night. Weekends available as well. Anytime after that, Mark and I are available for a phone call.